From the creators of Halloween Horror Nights, Horror Unleashed is Universal's first ever year-round horror experience. Adjacent to Area 15 in Las Vegas, Horror Unleashed has 4 haunted houses, a stage show, plus plenty of themed bars and food. Today, we'll hear from the creators, the monsters, and explore each haunted house. Let's go.
So it's 365 days a year horror. It's horror year round.
This is a space now with the food and beverage opportunities, with the food and the social kind of environments that we've created, is that you can stay here as long as you wanted. And with that, we wanted to provide characters that Nate created with stories of content that have depth to them. So if you wanted to spend 5 minutes with a character or 25 minutes with a character, you felt like this content was basically deep in its narrative. It felt like it was interactive and at the same time changing. Maybe more times that you come back, it can evolve into different types of stories that you interact with. And we thought that was something that was special, that was unique.
Do you know where we are? This isn't the forest. I was in the forest. I was walking home. Suddenly, something attacked me. I don't know what it was.
Are you real?
Yes.
Like really real?
Real.
You're not some hallucination from blood loss or trauma? You're not a serial killer in disguise?
But isn't that exactly what we would say if we were a hallucination?
Well, I mean, I've seen enough serial killers to know that you probably wouldn't be one, but you can never be too cautious later, Gator.
Yeah, this is not just a creepy warehouse. This is a containment facility. You see, we're on a fault line here, not a real one, but there's a rift between our world and a parallel dimension we call the shadow world, a very thin veil. Every once in a while it breaks. Jack and Chance came through. They brought all this stuff with them. Now we can't stop that from happening, but what we can stop them from doing is leaving the building. We have containment protocols in place to keep them inside. Yeah, this is not a creepy warehouse. This is a containment facility, and everything here is designed to keep things in here. My mission as a legendary truth operative is to observe, contain, and when necessary, intervene.
flourishing farm, enacting justice on any who trespass. No!
Scarecrow house, one of the best houses I think that was ever created. We fully realized the ending like we've never done before, and we've got a really neat thing where you get to stand there and experience the dust storm while you're in it, a story moment right in the middle of the space. So we got to have a lot of fun with that, and I always like an original idea.
I agree. It's so hard to choose, but also by design, we pick the 4 different houses to work well together. So in some aspects, they each fill a very, very critical role for us. Not only from the level of scare to the intensity of it, to maybe the textures and the environments that are more claustrophobic than spectacle. But for me, be able to build a place like this and lean on our 100-year history of Universal Monsters. The Universal Monster House is probably my favorite because it tells the story of Universal. It tells the story to the different characters, their wonderful environments from Dracula's Castle to the Black Lagoon to basically the crypts of the Mummy. But at the end and the beginning, we're able to kind of start you off with a story, which starts all of these wonderful environments, and that we basically takes you to Van Helsing's crypt, where it tells you the stories that you think these monsters are not real, you think they're just folklore and legend. He's here to tell you that they are real, and for the first time, you have to experience the world he's experienced as you make your way into the house. By design, too, the building itself that we're standing in is built with tons of flexibility to it. There's an area that we call Premier House that right now showcases all of our basically current horror product with Universal Blumhouse. But we see that space evolving in ways to bring in new film properties, to bring in filmmakers and cast members, to do signings and interactions. And so we think there's an opportunity that a horror community will start to find this is a place you want to come to year-round for different types of activations, different types of social activities. Even if you want to come and build a wedding, surprisingly here, you can do those type of things. But yes, we see this space being that type of flexible and that type of content change.